Welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your PayPal account through the PayPal app. So let's start. First of all, open the PayPal app and log in to your account. After you log in, tap on the profile icon on the top left side of your screen. Then after, you can delete your account either from this close your account option, or you can also delete your account through the data and privacy section. For that, go to data and privacy. When you scroll below, you will find the delete your account or close account option. But for now, let's simply delete the account from the close account option. Tap on close your account. Then it will ask to confirm the action to delete your account. Tap on close account. After you do that, your PayPal account will be closed, or in other words, deleted. Now, in order to use the PayPal app once again, you will have to create a new account, since you cannot use the existing account which we just deleted. So in this way you can delete your PayPal account through the PayPal app. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any of our videos.